Welcome to the AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to install IPBan on a Linux system or server. IPBan is a software tool that blocks IP addresses to prevent malicious traffic from accessing a network or server. It works on Windows and Linux, integrates with firewalls, and can automatically ban suspicious IPs. Let's see the system requirement. The first one is, your system should have the latest Linux OS. The Linux OS includes Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and Red Hat. The second one is, you should have root access. Let's move to the lab and perform the practical. First of all, you need to log into your Linux server. Here, we have used Ubuntu 20.04 OS as an example. Once logged into the server, run the following command in the terminal to install IPBan on your Linux system. It may take a few minutes to complete. Once it is successfully installed, you will get a text file in the output. Type Ctrl+X from the keyboard to close the text file. To check the status of the IPBan application, type systemctl status IPBan in the terminal and press Enter. If you are getting the status active, it means that the IPBan has been successfully installed on your Linux system and is in active status. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to install IPBan on a Linux system or server. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.